Are you someone who consumes protein powder or have plans for consumption in future? Then this video is for you. Ever wondered why protein supplements are receiving a cautionary flag? Stay tuned as we explore 5 enlightening facts together. And if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and check out our blog for more engaging content. Link is in the description below. Let's get started. What's the reason behind the Indian Council of Medical Research caution against protein supplements? Let's explore the factors contributing to this recommendation. Protein supplements often contain added sugar, artificial flavorings, and potential contaminants, which may outweigh their benefits. These additives can have adverse effects on health, including contributing to weight gain, disrupting blood sugar levels, and increasing the risk of chronic diseases. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the implications of protein intake on your health. How does your body's protein requirements impact your overall health? Protein plays a vital role in various bodily functions, including muscle repair, immune function, and hormone production. However, consuming excess amount of protein, especially from supplements, can strain the kidneys and may increase the risk of kidney stones, osteoporosis, and other health issues. Moreover, high protein intake may lead to nutrient imbalances and digestive discomfort. Stick around as we uncover the secrets to a healthier diet without supplements. How can we ensure we are meeting your nutritional needs without relying on supplements? Let's explore practical tips for building a balanced diet that prioritizes whole, nutrient-rich foods. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals can provide all the essential nutrients your body needs. By focusing on natural whole foods, you can support optimal health and well-being without the need for supplements. If you are liking this episode, I will request you to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Are there natural alternatives to protein powder? Absolutely. Instead of relying on supplements, consider incorporating whole food sources of protein into your diets. Foods like lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, seeds, and tofu are excellent sources of protein that can help meet your daily requirements. These natural alternatives not only provide protein but also come packed with essential nutrients that support overall health. But how much protein should be consumed daily? How do you determine the right amount of protein for your body? The recommended daily intake of protein varies depending on factors such as age, gender, activity level, and overall health. As a general guideline, the Indian Council of Medical Research suggests consuming around 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight per day for most adults. However, individual protein needs may vary, so it's essential to listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine the appropriate amount for you. And there you have it, folks. We have delved into the Indian Council of Medical Research dietary guidelines and their caution against protein supplements. Remember, your health is your wealth, so it's crucial to make informed decisions about your diet. Do not forget to subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, take care and stay healthy. You can also check out the videos that are on your screen.